In this video, we're going to take a look at a lean startup format for a business plan. This information is found at the SBA.gov website. It's available for anyone that wants to see it, and I just thought we would go over the components of a lean startup format. In a lean startup, it's a very brief and short business plan that just gives the reader of the business plan an overview of what this company or business is about. Let's take a look at this. We're going to have in this key partnerships will be listed. So note any businesses or services you work with to run your business. So that would include suppliers, subcontractors, strategic partners, manufacturers, anyone that is a part of this business and how it works. The key activities would also be listed, and these are going to show why you may have a competitive advantage over another company. Things that you would want to include here would be, are you selling directly to your consumers? Are you using technology to sell your product? So here include those key activities that make you stand apart from others that are similar to your company. Then we will list the key resources. There's some information here if you are a woman in business, a veteran, Native American. There are some links here you could click to, and it's going to take you to some additional resources. Also the hub zone for businesses as well. Here you're going to include under your key resources any of the assets, and assets are not just physical items. It could be your employees or your staff that set you apart from others. It could be the capital your company has, and part of that would be that human capital, or even your intellectual property that you've developed. You'll list those here and tell why that can create value for your customer. Next, we have our value proposition statement. This is where you make your statement about what makes your company valuable and what you can bring to the market. It says to make it clear and compelling. Under customer relationships, how are you going to interact with your customers? Okay, will they be automated? Is it strictly online? Will there be some personal aspects to that where they'll actually speak to an individual or be in person with an individual? Just think about what that would look like for the customer from the beginning to the very end of that sale. Your customer segments are going to list where your target market is. If you're creating a product for babies, is that going to be your target market? So how would you think to reach your target market? What are you going to do there? What is that segment that you're looking for? Is it the entire world? Does everyone use this? Or is it just a niche market there? The next section is channels. It's going to be how you'll talk to your customers. Okay. So again, if you order anything online, you know there's generally a chat button that you can chat with the computer. Then you can actually ask to be connected with an individual or person. How are you going to be able to talk with those customers? Your cost structure. Here's how you would approach this. Will your company focus on simply reducing cost, maximizing value, both? What's your strategy here? Okay, a lot of people want to just increase their sales, but sometimes you can keep your sales as they are, but just decrease some of the costs that you have, maybe unnecessary cost or duplicate cost there. Your revenue streams will include the money you're going to make or that will be flowing into the business. Will that be direct sales? Will you have membership fees? Will there be some selling and advertising space? If you're online, are you going to be, letting companies pay you to advertise on your website? How will you earn money? So all the revenue streams would be listed here, and then you would complete this, what we call lean business plan, just a very simple overview of your business plan, not as in detail as a traditional business plan.